You want to see how I extracted 2 types of gels from this single okra for a super smooth takedown, extra moisture, defined curls, the do's and don'ts for hair growth? Keep watching. Hey bloomer, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia, your natural hair girly. On this channel, we share natural hair tips and styles, DIYs, and once in a while, we dabble into makeup. I will definitely be doing more of that in 2026, hopefully. But for now, let's dive straight into today's hair magic. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I extracted 2 types of gels from this diced okra, step by step. I will also share the do's and don'ts so your gel doesn't turn watery or go from slippery to water, because that will not work effectively for your takedown or your styling, and I know you do not want that. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips that actually works. Alright, I got this okra seed from a local store. Cheap, pocket friendly, beginners friendly, and loaded with nutrients for maximum hair growth, which we will also be talking about in this video. I poured in only the amounts I needed. I didn't use everything. That's to show you how cheap and efficient okra seed is. A little goes a long way, and from the small amounts, we are going to extract 2 kinds of gels, like I've said before. First, I washed it with salt because we don't need any impurities. Afterwards, I slice them into big chunks and remove the heads. We won't be needing them. While I do that, let's talk about some okra benefits you probably did not know. If your hair follicles are weak, okra has vitamins and minerals that help strengthen them, preventing breakage and hair fall. The antioxidants help reduce scalp inflammation and dandruff. You see why you need that? You see why you need to consider adding it into your hair care routine? It creates a healthier environment for your hair growth. So I think okra gel is something you really want to include in your hair care regimen. Okra gel also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages new growth. Imagine using okra gel on your scalp and massaging it in before daybreak. You won't know the difference between your hair and Rapunzel. You get the point, right? It prevents hair loss, boosts moisture retention, and keeps your hair hydrated, making it thicker and softer with time. So I do not see a reason why you wouldn't try okra gel. So try it out today, okay? If your hair is thin or very coarse, embrace the gel, okay? And so much more. So now we are done slicing. Let's cook. I added a moderate amount of water into the pot, not specific measurements, just enough for the amount of okra you'll be using. I stirred and covered it to boil. After about 6 minutes, it started drawing. If you look closely, you see or notice the slimy texture, but I allowed mine to thicken a bit more, so I let it to cook. When it reached the thickness I wanted, I turned off the gas and prepared to sieve. I will allow you to watch to see exactly how I sieved it. I've been able to sieve out as much gel as possible. If you feel the gel you got isn't enough, you can recook the okra. You cannot possibly throw away this okra like this now, Abi. In this Tunubu regime, that's where the second extraction steps in. Here is what I did. There was too much gel left in the okra pieces. I didn't want to discard it or waste it, so I decided to blend it. By the way, this is a new hand blender I just purchased from Jimmy on Black Friday. It really landed at the right time, and this is my first time using it. But it just sweet me anyhow. I've always wanted to get one of these. My friends, this is a sign we'll be doing plenty effective, budget-friendly DIYs for hair growth. I am excited, you can tell. So make sure you click on the subscription button so you don't miss out, okay? I added the leftover okra chunks into my blender jug. I blended until texture became lighter. I added a little water to loosen it up, just a little water. Don't flood the jug. I did not say that. Don't hear what I did not say. After blending, I extracted it with my cheesecloth. Squeeze it until you are exhausted and gel is out completely. this gel comes out so thick and paste-like. You can use it for your takedown, pre-poo, and even as a leave-in conditioner. Okay. Honestly, this gel is so rich. I think I prefer this second extraction. What do you think? This or this? Let me know what you think in the comments. So after the squeezeology, this is the paste gel we have. So milkish and drinkish. So I left our initial extracted gel to cool down. I added my DIY 12 powerful herb growth oil. I made this here on this channel. You don't want to miss that video. The link is on the screen and in the description below. Please watch it afterwards, okay? Now listen, here is the mistake you do not want to make. Because I wanted to use the gel for my takedown, I decided to mix both gels together instead of using them separately. Then I blended them together. I don't know if it's because of the blender excitement or the experimental spirit in me. Immediately I noticed the gel becoming lighter. The thick draw was reducing. I stopped immediately. If I had continued, it would have turned into water. So please, if you want to mix both gels, just mix them with your hands, like with your finger, rolling it in that water, not with a blender. Do you understand? Luckily, mine didn't spoil completely. I still used it for my takedown and it worked. Very smooth and easy. But it would have been better if I used them separately. Do you understand? My first hair reset video where I used this okra gel from start to finish will pop up at the end of this video. If you want your hair back to factory settings, brand new strands, brand new scalp, that video is for you, okay? Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Hi Bloomer, I hope you enjoyed and learned 1 or 100 from this video. Until next time, ciao.